All right, in today's lesson, we're going to be talking about multiplication property of inequality and division property of inequality. Again, this just states that what you do to one side, you always have to do to the other. So if we have an inequality, I'm in my book on page 506 if you'd like to follow along. But example 1, we have 8x is less than or equal to 40. We always start by drawing our line down the middle because we know that what we do to one side, we always have to do to the other. The first thing we want to do is to get x by itself. X is multiplied to 8, so we always have to do the opposite operation. The opposite of multiplying is dividing. So I'm going to divide by 8 on both sides. 8 divided by 8 is 1, and then I still have x. On this side, 40 divided by 8 is 5, and my symbol will stay the same. So now I have 1x, or x, is less than or equal to 5. If I'm drawing my number line, I'm going to start at 3, and I can see that x is less than or equal to, and since it could equal 5, my circle is going to be closed at 5. And then the numbers are less than 5 when I go towards 4, so my arrow will be pointing towards the left. If we move on to example 2, we have d divided by 2 is greater than 7. Again, the first thing I'm going to do is draw my line down the middle. I see that the operation that is with d is division, so the opposite is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply by 2 on both sides. These will make a 0 pair, and I will be left with d. 7 times 2 is 14. And my symbol will stay the same, so I will have greater than. D is greater than 14 is my answer. When I draw this on a number line, I'm going to start with the number 14 and work my way around it. I see that D is greater than 14, which means it can't equal 14, so I have an open circle. And then the numbers are greater than 14 are 15, 16, so my arrow will go in that direction. So I'll have an open circle with an arrow to the right.